Meaning of It's a Wonderful Life.
It's a wonderful life.
It's a wonderful life.
It's a wonderful life.
It's a wonderful life. It's a Wonderful Life is a title of a famous American film produced in 1946, directed by Frank Capra and starring James Stewart and Donna Reed. The movie tells the story of George Bailey, a man who has given up his dreams to help others and whose imminent suicide on Christmas Eve brings about the intervention of his guardian angel, Clarence Oddbody, who shows him what life would have been like if he never existed. The phrase, "It's a Wonderful Life," has since become a popular expression of appreciation for the good things in life and the value of one's existence.